Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you receive couldn't refresh feed on your Instagram, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help, if you still have this error, so just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data or cellular data, just turn off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait for a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait for a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab. In search tab, just write here Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.